How to get Google Play Store on Nintendo Switch 2. So to get started, go ahead and understand the operating system. So Nintendo Switch 2 runs a custom Nintendo OS and not Android. It does not support APK files or Google services. Step 2 is to know what's missing. So no access to Google Play services which are required for the Play Store to work. So no official support for Android apps or emulators, which means that you cannot get Google Play Store on your Nintendo Switch 2 since it does not support Android or Google services. Now, step 3, avoid jailbreaking. Some users try to install Android via custom firmware like Lineage OS. So this requires jailbreaking, which voids your warranty, risks breaking your device, and violates Nintendo's terms of service. Now, step 4 is to use safer alternatives. So if you want Android apps, use an Android phone or tablet alongside with your Switch, or consider a handheld gaming device that runs Android, which could be AYN Odin, Retroid Packet, or Steam Deck with Android.